Okay, so post arrived today. Parts. The scooter's here. It's here, it's at the dealers. It's not been PDI'd yet. So just waiting on them phoning so I'm going to do the last bit of paperwork and then go pick the thing up. In the meantime, started ordering bits, so the Givi rack arrived. I've already opened it and had a look through, but one thing with this is this looks ridiculously simple. On the listing as usual with Givi stuff, I should have read the instructions, man. But it's just the two bits that are like that hold the rack on. And then you'd thought you'd just unbolt a panel and bolt this back out. You'd be through grab rail bolts or something like we'd have fitted them before. And then I read through the instructions that come with it in a very unman-like fashion. And we see that we have to actually drill the damn thing. So I have to remove the panel of my brand new scooter and drill 4 holes in it. Okay, I'm not really phased with this. It's not going to be difficult. They very, very handily provide you with a template you can stick on to, kind of keep it in position. Just not sure how I feel about drilling holes in a brand new machine. But here you go. Let's see how it goes.